Hi, I'm Mallory.
Hi, I'm Katya, and we're
Cool Cat Cycles.
We opened Cool Cat Cycles in 2017. I'm the original founder. When we moved to Cinco Ranch from overseas, we realized that this community is really bike friendly, and as somebody who loves to be outside, I thought I want to encourage others to be outside as well and enjoy our beautiful bayous and paths that we have.
We are a full-service bike shop. We have 3 mechanics here on site, and so we're able to get most repairs out very quickly.
Among all the bikes that we carry, our probably best sellers are hybrids and commuters, and nowadays it's electric bikes just because they allow anybody an opportunity to go far, to go fast, to explore. One of the brands that we carry for our e-bikes is Euphree, and they're phenomenal. They look really cool. They have step-through versions for females and for smaller people. They have suspension, so if you're going to want to go off-road, they allow you to do that. Euphree ended up being such a fantastic solution for us because they're very local. They're located just about 20 miles from here in Houston.
It's a US-based service team, so I can just pick up the phone and call them, or I can either go down to the warehouse. 2-year warranty, bumper to, or I guess fender to fender. So they've been a great addition to our shop, and I think we're going to see a lot of that in the future.
You can find all the information about us on our website, www.coolcatcycles.com. We're also present on all social media like Facebook, Instagram, and even Twitter. You can send us a message on all of them. We respond very quickly to direct messages.
And come see us in Cinco Ranch.
Support
Cool Cat
local.
Cycles.